Hello guys, this is Bank Nifty for December 1, 2025. So as you know, it opened at gap up in 60,102 point. So almost it's a kind of a huge gap up. Then it came to downtrend until 12. Then after 12, the market became sideways. So my important levels are previous day high and low, which is these black lines you are seeing in the screen. So previous day high 59,898 is a previous day high. 59,600 is the previous day low. And that blue range is, CPR, central pivot range. That's kind of an important indicator that I used in my charts. Then pivot points, which gives us R1, R2, R3, which is resistance, and S1, S2, S3, which is support. So here red lines are the resistance, green lines are the support. That is below the CPR. Okay. So here, you know, uh, at previous day high and the S1, sorry, R1, that first red line above the blue range are almost at same place. So here the first candle itself taking the support at previous day high and the R1. So the levels that I'm sharing here like CPR, R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3 are act as both support as well as the resistance. It's not like resistance is only act as resistance alone. It may be act as a support also. So first candle itself taking the support as the R1, that is the resistance, then jump some points up and move in sideways for almost more than an hour. So almost at 11 it takes downtrend. Okay, so here there's a possibility to take trade because almost it's a kind of a pure bearish candle at the beginning, that is a 5 minutes candle. So almost it went on sideways to 11:45. So while breaking this candle and based on this candle size, you can take a trade at this candle because it's kind of a 5 minutes candle, that is 1050. So can take trade at 1052 and put stop loss above this level, that is R2. So stop loss at here and take profit at R1. Okay, so the possibility to take trade is here because from Nifty 50 also it's a kind of a bullish one. So there is a possibility to Nifty Bank to come down even more. So we can take some kind of risk here because usually stock market is all about taking the risk and making the profit. So take the trade at 1050 and put the stop loss above this broken candle's high and take profit at this level. So you see at 1140 it reaches the both support, that is previous day high and R1. So you can take the profit there also. And when it broken down that candle, you can put the stop loss above this line or maybe take the trade and make some small profit also. It's a kind of a scalping one because in the single candle itself you enter and this candle itself you must exit because it reaches the another important level, which is CPR. Then you can take trade at no, there is no possibility scenario after 12 until yeah, there is no possible scenario after 12. but based on the market is bearish and there is no levels under CPR, that is I mean the next level to the CPR in the downside is previous day low only. And since it's hugely bearish, you can see almost market is struggling for almost 10, 20, 30, half an hour in bearish way. So in this candle itself, you can see kind of the wick above this candle. So if on this candle's opening after a minute, I mean maybe at 2:42, you can take the trade and put some points, or maybe at the previous candles this 235 candles high as stop loss, and take profit as previous day low. Okay, so take the trade here and make some profit and exit the trade at 250 and put the stop loss above this 235th candles high, which is 5, 722. So this is kind of the levels I have used today to analyze the market. So you see, this is Bank Nifty, then it's for December 1 2025, almost 12, sorry, until 12 it feels like a downtrend, and then after 12 it's like sideways. So please note these levels like previous day high and low CPRs R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Based on this level, when it broke and based on the candle size you are having, you can take the trade and make sure you will take the trade at the money range. Like for example, as I said, you can take the trade here. This is my view, not kind of the compulsory one. So you can take the trade here means you can go with 50, sorry, 60,000 put option buy. So you can buy the recent options, 60,000 put options by like 60,000 put option for December month's upcoming week. So you can buy that option and you can wait until the candle reaches or broken this level and made some good profit. Okay, so please be cautious about taking trade. Don't jump into trade blindly. Please do follow the instructions and make sure you are seeing the support or resistance, and before taking the trade, whether it's there is I mean for the trading candle that you are going to decide, make sure you are having a support or resistance next to that or not. In case you are seeing means, don't take the trade. So better you consider these things and patiently wait for your time until the opportunity came. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys, thank you.